ओम पूर्णमदः पूर्णमिदं पूर्णात् पूर्णमुदच्यते पूर्णस्य पूर्णमादाय पूर्णमेवावशिष्यते। ओम शांति शांति शांति। शंकरं शंकराचार्यं केशवं बादरायणं सूत्रभाष्यकृतौ वन्दे भगवन्तौ पुनः पुनः। ईश्वरो गुरुरात्मेति मूर्तिभेदविभागिने व्योमवद्व्याप्तदेहाय दक्षिणामूर्तये नमः। ओम शांति शांति शांति। शुक्ल यजुर्वेदीय बृहदारण्यक उपनिषद पेज नंबर 331. We have completed the Chaturtha Brahmana. In Chaturtha Brahmana, it was said everything is Panktam, means everything is fivefold. Fivefold because Yajmana, Patni, Putra, Daivam Vittam, Manusham Vittam. Through this, you do Yajna Karyadi, you acquire Punya. Result of that Punya is whatever you acquire. So everything is Karyam of that Panktam. Therefore, everything is Panktam. This was said. Now we are starting the next Brahmana. So on next page, page number 332 in Bhashya, in Tika. ब्राह्मणांतरम अवतार्य संगतिम वक्तुम वृत्तम कीर्तयति. ब्राह्मणांतरम, ब्राह्मणांतरम, what is the vigraha?
अन्यं ब्राह्मणं ब्राह्मणान्तरम्.
Not anyam. Anyat brahmanam brahmanantaram. What is the sutra for this samasa? Mayura vyansakadayascha. Brahmanantaram avatarya. Purva brahmana was Purushavida brahmana. Now the next brahmana is going to be Saptanna brahmana. Saptanna brahmana. Brahmanantaram avatarya sangatim. So they have to show sangati. What is the connection with the previous brahmana? Sangatim vaktum vrittam kirtayati. Vrittam means what is already said, he explains. Yat saptannani medhaya. Only he gives introduction to the mantra. Ityadina. Avidya prastuta. See in Bhashya. Avidya has been explained. Where it was explained? In Avidya Sutra 1.4.10. तत्र अविद्वान् अन्यां देवताम् उपास्ते अन्यो असावन्यो अहम् अस्मि इति सवर्ण आश्रम अभिमानः कर्म कर्तव्यतया नियतो सवर्णाश्रमाभिमानः वर्णाश्रमाभिमानेन सह इति सवर्णाश्रमाभिमानः. The one who has abhimana of varna ashrama etc. See tika. तत्र इति अतिक्रांत ब्राह्मणोक्ति. तत्र इति अतिक्रांत ब्राह्मणो. तत्र अविद्वान अन्याम देवाम. So that tatra is in the Purva Brahmana, in the 4th section. It was explained in the Avidya Sutra. उपास्ति शब्दितम भेद दर्शनम अविद्या कार्यम अनेन अनुद्य न स वेद इति तद हेतुः अविद्या पूर्वत्र प्रस्तुता इति योजना. This person who has varna ashrama abhimana and avidya, for that person anyam devatam upaste, it is given in the mantra, it was given like that. So upasti shabditam bheda darshanam. If he does upasana, means there is bheda darshana. Bheda darshanam means there is avidya, because bheda darshanam is avidya karyam. Anena anudya na sa veda iti tad hetuhu avidya. He does not know. He does not know that he is Brahma. Why he doesn't know? Because avidya is there. न स वेद इति तद हेतु अविद्या पूर्वत्र प्रस्तुता इति योजना. This avidya was explained earlier. अथो अयम इति अत्र उक्तम अनुवदति, and this was said in 4.16. अथो अयम, 16th mantra of the previous section, page 317. Uktam anuvadati. So he mentions it again. Savarnashramabhimanah iti. In Bhashya, कर्म कर्तव्यतया नियतो जुहोत्यादि कर्मभिः काम प्रयुक्तो देवादीनाम उपकुर्वन् सर्वेषां भूतानां लोक इत्युक्तम. So this we have seen, he has to do Rishi Yajna by reciting his Veda. Deva Yajna, he has to do offerings in the Yajna. Pitru Yajna, he has to do Shraddha, etc. So Rina, he has all this. Then for Manushyas, he has to feed birds, Pashus, he has to feed, etc. Karma kartavyataya niyato juhotyadi karma bihi. And apipilika, all those who are in his surroundings, they all expect that he should live because he has to support us. So they all, as long as their prarabdha is, they will expect that he should not die. He should continue to live. He is the upakari for all those. Other Pashu, Pakshi, Akita, Patanga, everybody. Like for example, if I am eating something, I drop something here, ants come and eat that. So those ants are, their prarabdha, they are getting benefited from what I eat and what I drop. Same thing outside also, if I am eating something, I leave something, some monkey will come and pick it up. So their prarabdha is associated with what we give. They depend upon us indirectly. Like that, Manushyas also, Devatas, Pitrus, everybody. That's why that line is given, Devadinam Upakurvan, Sarvesham Bhutanam Lokaha. He is there to support all the people. Lokaha, third number Tippani, Bhogyaha. He is the Bhogya of all. Means everybody derives something from this person. Tika. Atmai Vedam Agra Asit Ityada Uktam Smarayati. And earlier it was said, Atma Eva Idam Agra Asit. That is being reminded. Kama Prayuktaha Devadinam Upakurvan Sarvesham Lokanha Yathacha Sarva Karma Bihi. In Tika first, Vrittam Anudya Uttar Grantham Avataraitum Apekshitam Purayati. So he already said what was earlier said about and Atma Vedam Agra Asit. This was the beginning of that fourth section. Purushavida Brahmana. Having said that, Uttar Grantham Avataraitum Apekshitam Purayati. Uttar Grantha has this. What? Yathacha Sarva Karma Bihi Ekaikena Sarvair Bhutair Asau Loko भोज्यत्वेन सृष्टः. This world असौ लोकः. Lokah, here it is given as karma anusthata. The one who is karma anusthata, bhojyatvena srishtah. The one who is going to do karma, he is bhojya for everybody. Actually, everything is bhojya. For example, like if we see Himalaya and we enjoy the beauty, so we get sukham. Means some of our prarabdha karma was used to produce Himalaya. Like that for everybody, whether it is Ganga ji or birds, etc. So everybody's prarabdha is used to produce external world. And in the same way, our sharira is also there based on others' prarabdha, because others are going to derive joys or sorrows, whatever. Like some dog is waiting somewhere. He says, when this person comes, then I will bite him. He doesn't go there. How will he fulfill his whatever obligation he has to do? So if some nimitta will come, you will go there, then you say, now he has come. I was waiting for him. So this is how things happen. Everybody is connected. So loko bhojyatvena srishtaha. टीका गृहीणो जगतश्च परस्परं स्वकर्मोपार्जितत्वम् एष्टव्यम् अन्यथा अन्योन्यम उपकारकत्वा योगादित्यर्थः. Grahinaha means an individual grahastha, anybody, and jagat, outside world. They are paraspara swakarma uparjitatva. This person's karma decides the world. World will decide how this person is going to be. Karma connection is together. Jagatasya parasparam. For example, let's say this ashram is built and somebody has to come here and study here. This is possible only when ashram has to exist before. Ashram will exist when somebody has made contribution, somebody studied, some people came, built this, served here, then ashram is there. Then you come and stay, study, and you go, or whatever. So this is possible only when everything was already existing. How it will exist? Because of your prarabdha that you are going to do there something. That's why swakarma uparjitatvam. Everything is earned by our karma. Eshtavyam. Eshtavyam, it should be understood in this way. Anyatha, otherwise, anyonyam upakarakatva yogat. Otherwise, anyonya upakarakatva will not be there. That jagat and jiva. Grahi means you take jiva, it is easy. Jiva and jagat are paraspara upakaraka, anyonya upakaraka. They will support each other. Nanu, sutrasyaiva, before that, one line in Bhashya. Evam, acha, two, both are evam only. In Bhashya, evam asavapi juhotyadi pankta karmabhihi sarvani bhutani sarvam cha jagat atma bhojyatvena asrujata. So in this way, asavapi, asav, this jiva also, juhotyadi pankta karmabhihi, by this juhotyadi pankta karma, sarvani bhutani, he created all beings, sarvam cha jagat atma bhojyatvena asrujata. All beings means not only one person's prarabdha, their prarabdha is also there, but his contribution is also there. And jagat, how? Atma bhojyatvena, I am going to derive joy from all these people. So they all have to exist. Then I will go joy or sorrow, both. They are bhojya. Bhojyatvena asrujata. In Panchadashi, fourth chapter called Dvaita Viveka, there is Jiva Srishti and Ishvara Srishti. In Jiva Srishti, these points are explained. What is going to be said here? In Saptanna Brahmana topic, if you read, fourth chapter of Panchadashi has this connection. So if you know this, then you will be able to enter into that topic easily. After that, it is independent. It has its own vichara. So this Jiva has created Jagat through his prarabdha. Then somebody will ask, then what about Ishvara? Does Ishvara create Jagat or only Jiva creates Jagat? So Ishvara will create keeping in mind Jiva's prarabdha. He will use all this as nimitta and then he will produce Jagat. Because in this world, if some people have to live in Bhuhu, Bhuva, Suvaha, Mahaha, all these lokas, then those lokas have to exist. Then they will live there. Then they will get their Sukha Dukkha there. In this way. Tika. Nanu sutrasyaiva jagat kartritvam jnana kriya atishayvatvat na itaresham tadabhavat ata aha. Somebody is saying, you said Jiva is jagat karta. We have heard Hiranyagarbha is jagat karta. Sutrasyaiva jagat kartritvam. How Jiva is jagat karta? How Sutra means Hiranyagarbha. How Hiranyagarbha is able to create this world? Jnana kriya atishayvatvat. Because he is Jnana kriya atishayavan. Hiranyagarbha. Na itaresham tadabhavat. What is that? Atishayavatvam. Jnana kriya atishayavatvam is not there in others. How can they create? Ata aha evam एकैकः स्वकर्म विद्या अनुरूपेण सर्वस्य जगतो भोक्ता भोज्यञ्च सर्वस्य सर्वः कर्ता कार्यञ्च इत्यर्थः. So in one line he summarizes. Therefore, each individual by his own karma and upasana, karma vidya anurupyena, he is sarvasya jagatah bhokta. He is the bhokta of all. And bhojyancha, he is also bhojya vastu for others. Sarvasya sarvaha karta. Everybody has created everything. Means everybody will contribute to how world functions. In orderly fashion or in confusion or a combination of both, everybody has their input. Sarvasya sarvaha karta karyam cha. And everybody is karya also. Sarvasya karta, sarvasya karyam. Everybody is creator of all, everybody is effect of all. Tika. पूर्वकल्पीय विहित प्रतिषिद्ध ज्ञान कर्म अनुष्ठाता सर्वो जंतुः उत्तर सर्गस्य पितृत्वेन अत्र विवक्षितो न तु प्रजापतिः एव इति उक्तमर्थं संक्षिप्य आह. पूर्वकल्पीय, in the पूर्वकल्प विहित प्रतिषिद्ध ज्ञान कर्म अनुष्ठाता सर्वो जंतुः, all beings in the Purvakalpa, they also had some Vihita Pratishiddha Jnana and Karma. They were performing. They all means everybody was not performing, let's say, Vedic Karma. But some do's and don'ts they were following. The result of that was, if they do Vihita Karma, Punya. If they do Pratishiddha Karma, Papa. together all of that has produced this world. So where punya is there, they will get sukham from other things. Papa is there, they will get dukkham. विहित प्रतिषिद्ध ज्ञान कर्म अनुष्ठाता सर्वो जंतु उत्तर सर्गस्य पितृत्वेन अत्र विवक्षितः. उत्तर सर्ग मीन्स लेटर सर्ग. In the next creation, he himself is the pita. Pita means he is the creator. न तो प्रजापति ही एव, not Prajapati. This Jiva alone. Jiva alone is creator for the next creation. न तो प्रजापति एव इति उक्तम अर्थम संक्षिप्य आह सर्वस्य इति. सर्वस्य मिथो हेतु हेतुमत्वे प्रमाणमः. So all are mutually cause for everything, effect of everything. All. Something is already created, then you enter into it. Who created? Your karma. And who created you? Is others' karma. Like that, everything is together. When we understand this, you understand that nothing is independently functioning. Somewhere something somebody does, then you benefit from it or you suffer from it, whatever. In Bhashya, एतदेव च विद्या प्रकरणे मधु विद्यायां वक्ष्यामः. This will be said in Madhu Vidya. Madhu Vidya will be second chapter 251. Second chapter, fifth section. Madhu Vidyayam Vakshyamaha. Tika. Sarvasya if you say all are cause for something and all are effects of something, sarvasya अन्योन्य कार्य कारणत्व उक्त्या कल्पितत्व वचनम कुत्र उपयुज्यते, then 8 नंबर टिप्पणी कार्यस्य विकारतया वाचारंभणत्वात् इति भावः. So kalpitatvam, how everything is mithya if everything is created by each other. So it is said because it is an effect, therefore it is mithya. Kalpitatvam is because of karya. Tatraha in Bhashya सर्वम सर्वस्य कार्यम मधु इति आत्मैकत्व विज्ञानार्थम. Why it is said everything is contributing to everything in this creation? Because you ultimately understand oneness, that I am Brahma. But to understand I am Brahma, in Vyavahar also I should eliminate Bheda Buddhi, Raga Dvesha. If that Bheda Buddhi doesn't become insignificant or weaker in the sense I don't pay attention there. If my attention goes in Bheda significantly, means it comes to my mind all the time, there is Bheda, there is otherness, then Advaita will never happen. Bheda, even if it is there in Vyavahara, it is not prominent for me. When that happens, then you will be able to go to Advaita. So that's why here it is given Madhu iti Atmaikatva Vijnanartham. Sarvam Sarvasya Karya Madhu. In Mandukya Karika, there is one Karika in third chapter. Dvayor Madhu Jnane Param Brahma Prakashitam Prithivyam Udare Chaiva Yadhakasha Prakashitaha. I think this is how the Karika is. Dvayor Madhu Jnane. Anybody remembers the Karika? So there what is explained is that there is one Adi Daivika and there is one Adi Adhyatmika. Just as there is space in my stomach, there is space outside. Just as there is air here, there is air outside. Fire here, fire outside. This is both, they are connected. Adhidaiva, Adhibhuta, and Adhyatma. What is outside is inside. In other words, Vyashti is not staying separately. This is how the Karika explains. What is the Chaturtha Pada? द्वयोर्द्वयोर मधुज्ञाने परम ब्रह्म प्रकाशितम पृथिव्याम उदरे चैव यथाकाश प्रकाशितः. So, in order to attain absolute oneness, the Paramartha Brahma, I have to go through some path, and that path is not to give too much importance, too much reality to Dvaitam. When you think this way, then it will become Naganya or insignificant. Then you can reject it as Mithya. All the time, if I entertain Dvaitam and Bheda Buddhi, and suddenly for 1 hour I study, I am Advaita, I am Brahma, nothing will happen. Evam bhumikam kritva uttar brahmana tatparyam aha. So, introduction is done to the next section. Now he begins. See the mantra now on previous page. 331. यत् सप्तान्नानि मेधया तपसा अजनयत पिता एकमस्य साधारणम द्वे देवान् अभाजयत त्रीणि आत्मने अकुरुत पशुभ्य एकम प्रायच्छत तस्मिन् सर्वं प्रतिष्ठितम् यच्च प्राणिति यच्च न कस्मात् तानि न क्षीयन्ते अद्यमानानि सर्वदा यो वै तामक्षितिं वेद सो अन्नमत्ति प्रतीकेन स देवान् अपि गच्छति स ऊर्जम् उपजीवति इति श्लोकाः. यत् सप्तान्नानि मेधया तपसा अजनयत पिता. With the help of medha and tapas, both. Pita saptanani ajanayat. Pita means Prajapati. As a jiva, he created 7 kinds of food. Saptanani. Ekam asya sadharanam. One food is for all. What is that? He will say. Dve devan abhajayat. The 2 foods only were there for devatas. So these are Darsha Purnamasa. What is given on Amavasya and Purnima, that offering is only for devatas. Nobody else can take it. It is only for them. Trini Atmane Akuruta. 3 are only for oneself. What are those 3? We will see there. I think Manaha, Vak, and Chakshu or Prana, something. So these 3 are for all. Everybody has this. Prana, Mana. Then Pashubhyaha Ekam Prayachat. So 1 is for Pashu. What is that 1? Milk. Milk is for Pashu. But Pashu means 2-legged ones and 4-legged ones. So human beings are also Pashu. We are with 2 legs. So milk is allowed for human beings also. एकम प्रायच्छत्. Tasmin ayachat means ayachat. What is the dhatu? Dane dane, to give. Tasmin sarvam pratishtitam yaccha praniti yachana. In that annam, everything is pratishtitam, means everything takes support from that. Whatever is living and whatever is not. Kasmat tani na kshiyante adyamanani sarvada. If so much food is getting consumed by all, why it is not getting exhausted? We all are consuming so much food, milk also and other things. Why it is not over? Because all the time it is consumed. Yo vai etam akshitim veda. So it's somebody who understands the inexhaustible nature, akshaya, akshayatvam, akshitim veda. So annam atti pratikena. Then, really speaking, only he is eating. Means the one who has understood that this food is going to be eternal, because it is eternal means in relative world. It is created by Prajapati and it will go on. So then, he has understood the essence of all this. That's why he is really eating. He is the only one who is eating. Sa devan api gacchati, and he will attain devatas. And as earlier in the previous section it was said, he will do ahangraha upasana, etc. So here also, if he do devata upasana, he will attain devatas. So that attaining devatas is relative immortality. That's why it is given here. So urjam upajivati iti. Urjam upajivati means he supports immortality. Means he, sa devan api gacchati. Sa urjam upajivati. Make it upajivati. In your book, if it is urja is dirgha. That's what. No, it should be dirgha. How, Rashma? No, it is dirgha. Urja, u is dirgha. Upajivati, there is no u. That you have to add hrasva. Urjam upajivati iti. Means he supports devatas. And in this regard, there are shlokas. So we have to go back to where we were in Tika, in Bhashya. Yadasau on 333, third line. Yadasau juhotyadina pankten kamyena karmana atmabhojatvena jagat asrujat vijnanena cha tad jagat sarvam saptadha pravibhajyamanam कार्य कारणत्वेन सप्तान्नानि उच्यन्ते भोज्यत्वात् तेना असौ पिता तेषाम् अन्नानाम् यद असौ जुहोत्यादिना पांक्तेन काम्येन एवरीथिंग इज पांक्त जुहोति यजते इत्यादि we saw कर्मणा आत्मभोज्यत्वेन जगत असृजत through karma, that is all this world is atmabhojya, it is bhogya padartha for one's own self. In this way jagat asrujata vijnanena cha tad jagat sarvam. Vijnana means this medhaya tapasa, two things. Anything that you want to create and make it last longer, two things are needed. Medha, tapas. Means you have to, medha means ability to think and understand. And you have to do tapas. You have to do lot of sacrifice. then whatever karya you have produced, it will last. No tapas, no medha, no result. That's why tapasa brahma vijignyasasva. Bhrigu Rishi told, his father told him, you have to do tapas. Then you will get the phalam, Brahma. Tapas doesn't mean you stand on one leg only, that is a tapas. Anvaya Vyatireka is also tapas. To do Anvaya Vyatireka, Avasthatraya, how they are coming and going, I am apart from that Sakshi. That is also tapas. Tad Jagat Sarvam Saptadha Pravibhajyamanam. This world divided into seven Saptanna, seven foods. Karya Karanatvena Saptannani Uchyante. Bhojyatvat Tena Asau Pita Tesham Annanam. And therefore, this Asau Jivaha. This Jiva is Annanam Pita. He is the father of this. Tika Uchyante Dhyanartham iti Sheshaha. Saptanani Uchyante Dhyanartham. For my meditation, Chintanam, 9 number Tippani. Swakarmadina srishtasya jagatah saptadha vibhaktasya सूत्रात्मकस्य स्वात्मत्वेन ध्यानम. I told you as aham grahopasana. I am Hiranyagarbha. This world is my creation. If you go on thinking like this, your raga dvesha from this world will go away. If I go on thinking I am this world, small entity in this world, I am suffering, this person is like this, that person, I will never rise above all these things there. So, Sutratmakasya Saptadha Vibhaktasya Swatmana Dhyanam. I am this Hiranyagarbha. I am this creator. In this way, I have to do dhyana. Then the result of that is so many things will be out of my. I will not even pay attention to those things. My focus will become clear to Brahmachinta. What happens to many people, whatever of this world, they carry as a baggage. And all the time they are in that world. Then Brahmachintanam doesn't happen. So Dhyanartham iti shesha. Annatve hetuhu bhojyatvat. Because it is bhogya, therefore this world is annam for all. Tena jnana karma bhyam janakatvena iti yavat. And therefore, with the help of karma and upasana, jnanam here means upasana, with the help of them, this jiva is creator. Those who have greater upasana, greater karma, greater tapas, they will create more things, lasting things. Brahmanam avatarya mantram avatarayati. Etesham annanam saviniyoganam sutrabhutaha sankshepatāh prakashakatvādi ime mantraha. Etesham annanam, of these 7 kind of annam, saviniyoganam, along with their viniyoga, means where what is used by devata, what is used by pitra, their sambandha, along with all of them, tatsahitaha. Sutra bhutaha mantraha. These next few shlokas which are there in the next mantra, they all are like sutra bhutaha. Sankshepataha prakashakatvat. In brief, they are the prakashaka. They talk about all these things. With this, first mantra is complete. In next page, Tika, Tatra Adya Mantra Bhagam Adaya Vyachaste. We will see this later. Om Purnamadaha Purnamidam Purnat Purnamudachyate Purnasya Purnamadaya पूर्णमेवावशिष्यते। ओम शांति शांति शांति। शंकरं शंकराचार्यं केशवं बादरायणं सूत्रभाष्यकृतौ वन्दे भगवन्तौ पुनः पुनः। ईश्वरो गुरुरात्मेति मूर्तिभेदविभागिने व्योमवद्व्याप्तदेहाय दक्षिणामूर्तये नमः। ओम शांति शांति शांति।